Hello friends, my name is Dr. John Kim, Senior International Faculty for the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine. I am delighted to invite you to join us for our next Level 1 certificate course to be held in January 21st to the 23rd of 2022 in Long Beach, California, the home of Queen Mary. Aesthetic medicine is an exciting field, and this course will introduce you to subjects such as skin conditioning, chemical peels, botulinum toxin injections, dermal fillers, lasers, and IPL. I want to have you join us as part of this interesting and wonderful course where we will get you better qualified to be able to practice aesthetic medicine and to receive a certificate to differentiate yourself from your colleagues who have not been certified. It's a wonderful time to learn. Please join us. If you can look up www.aaamed.org or follow the attached links to register, it would be wonderful to see you in Long Beach. Have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.